Hello guys, and welcome back to Sincerely Grace. So I have another unboxing, and oh my goodness guys, I can't believe that I am finally checking off this item off my wish list. I contemplated about this many times, but I finally have this item. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you're new here, welcome. I do videos on fashion and luxury, so if those are your jam just as much as they are mine, definitely consider subscribing. I do videos on these items and I love sharing it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have this big box here. And as you can tell, it's a Louis Vuitton item. And I believe I stated that I wanted this in my 2021 wish list. And I didn't get it last year. I actually got it about 2 months ago. And I'm finally going to be able to actually use it this weekend coming up. My husband and I are going on a little weekend getaway, just me and him. And I was like, oh, perfect for me to use this. So I think I just kind of gave it away, but let me show you what is in here. I am so excited. Okay, so obviously I already opened it. So here's the ribbon that it comes with. And I think I already put the receipt away. Yeah, I already put the receipt away. But let me take this out. So this is the dust bag. And let me actually move this out of the way. And like I said, I've been wanting this item forever. It's been on my wish list. But I always thought about it, okay, am I really going to use it? And the answer is probably not as much as I would want to, but I need to add it to my collection now before the price increases basically go to where I don't think it's worth it for me. So as you can tell, this is a pretty large dust bag, and what I have in here, I'm pretty sure some of you can already guess what it is. So I purchased the keepall bandolier in the size 50. So let me open this up so I can show you guys. Oh guys, this item is so cute. So I think this size is definitely perfect to use kind of like an overnight bag, or if you want to carry some of your most valuable items with you, either on a plane or maybe even like on a road trip. So I really did contemplate about getting this, and I believe the price for this was about $1,500, I think. I will go and look for my receipt. But this is the Speedy bandolier in the size 50. Now I did try on the 45 and I did try on the 55. The 55 was a definite no. It was basically between the 45 and the 50, but the 45 seemed a little bit too small for me. And this one, in my opinion, is perfect for what I am actually going to use it for. I don't plan on hauling a lot of luggage in here, or basically my whole trip's worth of items in here. It's basically just if I'm going somewhere over the weekend, just a couple of days, or like I said, if I want to hold my most valuable possessions in here while I travel. Right now what I do is I use some of my tote bags to put more of the valuable items. For example, my on-the-go tote, I have the GM size. And what I do whenever I travel is I take that bag and I basically put all my other bags in there, and I carry that with me at all times. So that way it makes me feel a lot better if I know that those items are in my possession 24/7. So that's what I plan to do with this. So it does come with this tag here. I think this is to like cinch the handles here. And it does come with the luggage tag, which I need to find out more information on this luggage tag. I do want to get it monogrammed, but I need to go into the store, ask my sales rep how I can get it monogrammed and how soon. If you guys know any of those details, please leave them down below because I am curious. I actually do not know how that works. But it does come with 2 zippers here at the top. And it does come with the lock in case you wanted to lock it for safety purposes. You can actually, I believe, lock it. Yeah, you're able to lock it here on the zipper. And then the strap is actually in here. And as you can tell, I have not worn it. And I've had this probably for about 2 months. Haven't really gone anywhere. I think that's the issue. But it does come with this strap, and as you can see, the vachetta is very light. So over time it will turn into hopefully like this nice honey color and patina. So the strap is strapped here on these 2 D-rings. So let me go ahead and show you that. Let me take this off. So you position this here on the D-rings. Like this. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so gorgeous. Now, I don't know whether I'm going to purchase a shaper for this. I think I might. The only Speedy that I have, which I see these kind of, well, obviously it's the same shape, but a lot larger scale. I do have one Speedy in my collection that I hardly use, but I do have a shaper for that just because I don't like the droopiness. So I think I will order a shaper for this, and that way it can preserve its shape. And whenever I am not using this, I do plan to stuff it. But this is what it looks like with the strap on. And I do plan to wear it only with the strap. I love the look of a bag or like this keepall bandolier. I love the look of having straps and then having a longer strap kind of dangle down. I just love that look. But yeah, guys, I am just very excited to actually use this and actually have this in my collection. I've been wanting this for a while, and I finally said, you know what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for this bag to go up to $2,000 plus? Which, no thank you. So yeah, guys, I'm just so excited to have it in my collection. So I will definitely go ahead and use it and follow up with a is it worth it video, because I did contemplate buying this bag so much, and I do want to provide you guys with that feedback. But yeah, guys, that is all for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. I do videos on luxury and fashion, so if you love those kind of things, I think you will really enjoy my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye.